Alright, let me load it.
Yes, that one.
Alright. Jeremy can't even use his gun.
Oh my
I don't
God.
want
Hey,
to
put it on video camera so I can record it.
Oh, you gotta put that down.
You see who my instructor is? He can't even do it.
It's a different weapon. Golden. Can I shoot this?
Yeah.
Pistols 101.
Babe, are you still doing it?
Okay.
Here, baby. You can try it out if you want.
Watch the pro.
Oh shit.
Hey, what's up, nigga? Thanks. Okay, wait, hold on. Ready, set. Wait, I don't know if I'm recording. Oh yeah. Tear it up, babe.
That's a 9.
Oh shit! Oh shit! This bitch is crazy. This bitch is crazy.
What are you shooting? Is all the rounds? There's take some more. That was a lot of the red, man.
I only have 5
That
rounds
was the
left.
red. Go for it, cabrón. It's you. This was fire with the Marine Corps right here. This one? I'm just shooting the Marine Corps.
Hey, the safety's off on it, by the way.
Yeah, safety's out so you can shoot.
Sweet.
Throat shot. It's 3, bro.
So nice.
You wanna keep shooting them? One in the red, and one in the throat, and then one in the. You had a lot in the. A lot.
Well, look how close we are. I mean, you got one. Middle. You got one. And then you got. See that one in the 9 there. Yeah, that was in the red. You gotta give it back to him like this.
Lift it up.
Chowed her last night. Fucking fake. Balls deep.
Between 10 and 6 is all fake. Get the birthday.
I can't see what I'm hitting it. Is it done?
No.
I got the knife.
It's a 007 weapon.
God, it's red. Turn it up.
Come up.
You got more rounds? I was gonna say you got. How much did they charge?
It's like
13, I think it was.
My nutsack is.
keep going the other way.
Here's the one that was my first shot. Fake. Hey, I don't know how I'm gonna do right here.
That one's really easy.
Our grouping. Let's check out your grouping. That's a good group right there.
They're all fake on him.
I know, right? Where's it at?
This one was the same thing as that one you guys had. Yeah. Just heavier. It's just when you could barely see this shit. Cause look at how small the little Hey.
He missed.
He missed it. Where is it at? Oh, I don't know.
Videos.
Pictures of Jessica.
Is he sucking his thumb?
Yeah.
It looks like he's sucking.
I don't think so though.
Wow. What do you got to say about that, Martin?